Hey everybody, how you doing today? We have a boxing video for an accessories. Actually, looks pretty nice right here. So what we have here is a selfie stick that has a ring light on the front that you can adjust for multiple purposes. Now, this thing, I don't know what it's called, but you can check it out. L07 ring light, whatever. So it's from China. But let's take a look what we have here. So we have aluminum alloy. Wow. Okay. Ring light. It works wirelessly. It's a tripod and works 360 and it's foldable. So you pretty much have very nice. It works on Android and iOS also. No, it's actually the wireless thing. But here you can just mount your phone either vertically or horizontally. So you can use the ring light so you can shoot yourself at night with this beautiful ring. Maybe you can tilt it downwards so you can shoot downwards on the. Oops, sorry about that. Just hit this tripod. So you can shoot downward and have a nice, some kind of showcase some stuff. So here you can see a little bit of description of what's going on with the specification. Yeah, let's open up and see what we have here. So it seems like it's. As always, we have an open box. We have we have just one piece, just like that, and we have a catalog that comes with it. I'm not gonna look at the catalog. I don't have time for that. So let's see what we have inside this thing. I hope this thing works. I got it from a new store just opened nearby. Yeah, so this is the camera thing. You click on it and it charges. I think this has a charging mechanism or maybe battery. Yeah, so it charges through a micro USB, and yeah, that's about it. There is a battery inside. Can you change the battery? No, you can't. What we can do, how to open this thing. I really don't know how to open this thing. Maybe I'll just do the full review later on. But here you can see the ring light. And you can extend this area over here as well. So you can just actually have it longer than this. And you can see the cable that comes with it. It doesn't come with any charger or anything, just a cable and the tripod. So I'm interested to see how it works. So you can see multiple clicks. You can extend this area over here and mount your phone. So yeah, there's multiple uses. Thank you guys for watching. Let's wait for the full review for this product. Take care and see you later.